let's get this thing unpacked and see what we got and what we need.
I had already unpacked it for this. See how easy this is? You just open it right up. Barely any assembly to it.
Huh.
And then like those open up right there.
Yeah, that's neat.
I think
Nice design.
I think they open up all the way. Like the picture shows them being flat. This is my first time assembling or seeing it assembled. Yeah.
They lock into place. Nice, compact, easy design, easy to put together. Just like that.
Alright, now that's done.
Okay, so we got our deal for the J-pole or the mast to fit into the cymbals. Put this on. Okay, that has the antenna assembled. So now all we got to do is put the J-pole together. Get ready to put that up. Yes, it is. Okay, so I just need to get a little wrench now and tighten those up, but the J-pole is assembled now.
And then that mounts right onto that right there.
Just antenna mount right onto that J-pole.
Yep, pretty easy stuff.
Pretty easy to set up, easy to put together. Won't take long to assemble it and install it.
How long would it take you to assemble that?
Maybe 10 minutes.
Not even that, I don't think.
I don't think it even took that long, really. Just unfold the radials on the antenna and put 8 screws in the antenna and 2 bolts in the J-pole, and it's assembled. It's ready to start installing now.
Cool. You want to go and put it on the roof?
Yeah, we'll okay, so we've got the antenna and the J-pole all put together now, and just about ready to put it up on the house. But we're going to wait a day or two to put that up and let the weather calm down. And I can't wait to get this up and see some free HD TV.